Hello, welcome to everyone in this video. In this video, we want to discuss about this problem solution. You can see there is 12 volt and this is resistance R1 which is 10 ohm. This is 100 kilo ohm. This is 100 kilo ohm. This is 10 ohm, and these are the point A, B, C, and D. You need to find the voltage, find voltage at point A, B, C, and D. Okay, this is the question. You try to solve this question. Otherwise, you just pause the video, and try to solve this question, and then continue to watch the solution. Right? Myself, Dr. Lushikant Karmakar. Right? So, try to understand the solution of this question. You can see this is the point that is 12 volt. Actually, we need to find out first the current flow in the throughout the resistance. For that, I first draw this circuit in simplest way. You can see this is point. I name this point is E, and this name already given, that is A point, B point, C point, and D point. And I just zoom out this portion, just you can understand. So you can see this is taken as E point. So this E is written as this E here. So from that point, this resistance R1 and then is divided into two part. First one is R3 and then processed by R4 and then point D. And in this way, this is A is throughout the R2 is go through point C. Since these two are grounded, so you can join these two and combined as a grounded. So at that point, this voltage must be 0. So you can easily say the voltage at the point C and D is 0 because this is grounded. Now we need to find out voltage at point B and at point A. For that, you need to find out the equivalent resistance of this circuit. For what to do? You can see these two resistance, that is R3 and R4. This R3 and R4 in series combination, and with this series combination, this R1, this is R2, this is R2, this R2 is with parallel. So R3 and R4 are in the series combination, and then it connected with the parallel of R2. So these two are parallel combination connected with the series with R1. So you just put this value and calculate this value. Since these two are 100 kilo ohm and this is 10 ohm, so this must be equivalent to 10 ohm, and you just calculate within the calculator. You can see this is nearly about 20 ohm. As this resistance is very high, the current flow actually that part. So this 10 and this 10 actually you can easily write down without calculating, that is 20 ohm. Otherwise, you can calculate by the calculator, that is also 20 ohm. Since the equivalent resistance is 20 ohm, then the current flow through this circuit must be voltage by resistance, that is 3 by 5 ampere. Right? So this current, that is I1 current is 3 by 5 ampere, and you just find out this voltage drop across the E and A, that is point E and this point A. So across the E and A, the voltage is nothing but current into resistance. Since the current is 3 by 5 ampere and resistance is 10 ohm, this resistance is 10 ohm, so this must be 6 volt. So at that point, the voltage difference is 6 volt. So since the total voltage difference is 12 volt, so the rest voltage, that is 6 volt, must be follow at the point AD or AC. So the voltage across AC or AD must be 12 minus 6, that is 6 volt. So since this voltage difference is 6 volt, and the current must be calculated, that the voltage determined by resistance, that is 3 into 10 to the minus 5 ampere passing through the R3 and R4. So the voltage across AB or BD, you can just put this value current into resistance, you will be find out that is AB or BD, that is 3 voltage difference is 3 volt. So that point voltage difference is 6 volt, this is 6 volt, and this one is 3 volt. So finally you can write the voltage at point C and D is 0 volt, and then the voltage at that point is 3 volt. Voltage difference is 3 volt. Since this is 3, this is 0 and the difference is 3, so this must be, that is the voltage at the point B must be 3 volt. As this is at that point is 0 voltage and their voltage difference is 3 volt, So the voltage at this point, that is the B point, must be 3 volt. And you know that is the voltage defined at that point is 6 volt, and the voltage at this C point is 0. So at the point A, the voltage must be 6 volt. So the final answer is at point A is 6 volt, at point B is 3 volt, and at point C and D is 0 volt. So I think you understand this solution. Otherwise, you can comment in the comment box. So thank you.